So
Popcornfart, it's a lucky K.
It's a Lucy, okay.
Oh!
Yay, someone recognized me! I'm popular. Oh my god, how many zombies can I stack?
1. Wait, what?
I'm gonna stack all of the zombies.
How do you like multiple things? Like I've never been.
I just right click on them. Gimme, come here. Don't run away from me. Accept your fate. Come here. Yeah, line up for it. Line up for it, bitch. Ah, no! My things. Take it. Oh. Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Hello. Woohoo! Oh, I'm a ghost.
And now I'm gonna drink my
Whoa! Whoa! The Lucy ghost has possessed this flower pot. Ooh.
I'm so done with you.
I'm one of you. Ow! Shit! No! Ah! Ah! What the hell?
I am one of you. Nope, I want.
Fuck the pigs.
Jesus. Yeah, that's right. You better run. You go chase that anvil. There's like 3 of us over here.
Chase that anvil, girl. Get it?
Get it, girl.
Shit. Keep walking, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep. No!
Oh my god!
An old man comes to live with you and he just walks in and just sleeps in your bed. And you know, you gotta get him in the bed.
And us being the nice people that we are, decide to just give him our whole house.
He's just an old man, we're not gonna fight him on it, this is our house, you know, he can take it. It's fine. Oh shit, Reggie, I'm dying. I need help.
Just I literally.
Oh my god! Ah! No, don't kill me, don't kill me.
I do not know what's happening.
Okay, alright.
Oh, I know what's happening now.
I just heard a skeleton, Reggie.
I now have bones.
Good for you. I'm gonna die.
Death by spider.
If you die, I'm not coming to save you.
You're a horrible friend.
Are those lilacs? I think I found lilacs.
Grab them.
Okay.
Just go back home, Jess.
I think home is this way. I think.
I think it just set up the next 30 episodes. The quest for Jess.
I have to rant to distract myself from the tortures of daily life.
Oh, that was just a dark turn. I mean, look at this tail. It's like poking on my chest plate. Look at that tail.
It's flawless.
Thank you.
This
is what happens when you mess with Pugini and Popcornfart.
Reggie, no, don't hurt him. They're peaceful people. Yeah.
Bye. I have a diamond and Jess doesn't because she's a loser. Ow!
There it is.